And we're back on the PT Cruiser today. Like I said, I don't know where I'm at on filming, but today I got a whole bunch of parts for it. Let's go check them out. Let's see. Rock Auto. Throw all that away later. Got to detail it in here again. Alright. We got the rear hatch shocks. Got those. We'll install those. Do the easy stuff today real quick. So put these right here. Alright. I guess I can put all this back in. What is next here? Wipers. Alright, I'll put all those on. Got ourselves some wipers. Put all those on. Yeah, they look pretty shot. Let's see what else. Oh, way down there. Let's see. Strut Mounts. Nice. New bearings. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, and the cabin filter for this one. We'll change that real quick. Strut mount. Strut mount. Put these down here. Alright. So you know what that means if I got strut mounts. You know what I got. Struts. Yeah, you probably saw those. Keep my magnets. My son loves these things. Let's go on the other side. So, yep. Got struts for the front. Pretty dang cheap. They're Gabriel's. 20 bucks for the pair, man. Can't beat that. With the mount, with strut mounts. 20 bucks. You can get deals sometimes on Rock Auto. This was a closeout discount, whatever. And their name brand, I mean, they're Gabriel's. Not bad. They're not KYBs, but, you know. And I got some tail lights. They look pretty easy to change. We'll do those too. Looks like a Torx right there, and they slide out. Reason why I'm replacing it, this one's cracked. It's got a hole. I don't want somebody to get a ticket for that. So we got a lot to do today. Alright, let's move this. Let's get the taillights out. Alright, since I got mostly all the parts for the rear, the hatch, shocks, and the taillights, let's do that right now. When they're warm, they stay up, but once it gets cold, forget it, they don't stay up. Looks like they're put in with Torx there, and with Torx there also. Alright, looks like the same Torx as the tail light. So let's go look for that. Alright, all of about 20-30 minutes, got the tail lights in. Got the new lift supports in. Comes with new hardware. But to take out the old hardware for the lift shocks, it's a T40. For the taillights, it's a T30 for the taillights. But yeah, lift support works now. Awesome. All right, now let's do the cabin air filter and the wipers. All right, so apparently on the PT Cruiser it is under the cowl, so you got to remove this cowling pieces, or this cowling piece. Take off the screw from here, 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 and one on the side here, and then pull off the little clips, slide it out. It's kind of difficult, but you can do it. Slide that out, take off the weather stripping, then 3 mounting points on the windshield washer fluid. 2 points are right there, and then one back here. Let me see if I can move. Right there. Another point right there. So you take those bolts out, put this to the side, and you have access to this little screen right here. Pull that out. This one never had a filter in it, so I'm putting one in. And there's the new one. Slap it in. Alright, that's what it looks like installed. Put this back in, I think this way. Yeah, this way. Put the little tabs in there. This way. There we go. Slap that back in place. Snap. That's in there. See if I can do this one hand. Slide this back in. There we go. Put this up. This got to come up. Crap. This is hard one hand. There we go. There we go. That's the mounting point right there. That one over there. Put the line back on. Alright, bolt that back up. Put the cowl on. Be right back. Cowl's all put together. My allergies are kicking my butt. Oh man, it is windy and hot. So next we're gonna do the struts, which is easy. 3 bolts right there, and 3 bolts right there, and then there's probably 2 bolts at the spindle, and maybe some brake lines to move to the side. But I'm gonna wash her up real quick, and then I'll probably do the struts another day. I am beat. I did 3 cars this weekend. So okay, we got the wheels off. Pretty straightforward. These 3 bolts, that one, and that one, 14 millimeter or 13 millimeter. And then down here, these 2 bolts, 21 millimeter. Strut comes out, and I got the strut compressor, and put it back together. So let's start taking apart this side is the passenger side. And then we'll move over to the driver's side and probably continue tomorrow. It's getting a little late, getting hungry. Let's take out these struts. Alright, I was fighting with a lug nut, that's why I'm out of breath. But we got the 2 struts out. Driver's side, passenger side. They came out easy. But it is getting dark. I'm going to probably continue tomorrow. Now, the reason why I was struggling with this side is that, remember that stud earlier? This one right here. So I broke it off. I'm going to have to get a new stud tomorrow. But I also found out, I'll show you better tomorrow, this thing has a lip and a half. Carfax said that they did brakes on it, but they didn't put rotors. All they did was threw pads on it. And I think it even said rotors and pads, so they either gypped them or something. I'm going to pull it up and look at it again, but so I'm going to get new rotors and pads because these are unsafe. These are so thin. Like I said, I don't sell junk. I try to sort them out, find out what's wrong with them, have it good for the next person so they don't have to worry for, 20, 30,000 miles. So, alright. So, let's continue tomorrow. We'll put all the struts and springs together. Catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, I don't know where I left off last night. I got late, but got the struts out. Here are the new ones. Pretty straightforward. There are the mounts. Here's my spring compressor. So let's hook that up. Compress the springs, take out the center bolt, and switch everything over. And the reason why I am changing the struts is that this is the driver's side. Look at all the oil, gunk and everything. And look at the passenger side, clean, no oil. So this one was blown every time you hit a bump or speed bump. Wow, talk about uneven bounce. So yes, that's why I'm changing them. As you can see, this is the driver's side. No good. You're not supposed to be able to. And it goes right back in. So yeah, no good. There's the new driver one. So let's get the passenger one done. And there you have it. New struts installed. Driver's side. Passenger side. Now let's put the wheels on, drop it, and take it for a drive. She's on the ground. Just gotta torque the lugs. All done. I think this is gonna end this video for this part of the PT Cruiser. Next, I probably, but yeah, that's gonna be it for pretty much all the maintenance. All I gotta do, I already ordered the rotors and pads for the front, and stud for the front on the other side. And that's gonna end this Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Please like, share, and subscribe on the corner if you haven't yet already. Till next time, talk to you guys later.